Hi guys, how you all doing today? Let's make a yummy fried rice. That is what we'll be cooking today. First of all, we have to steam our meat. That is, we are using turkey, onions, some spices for our meat. I'm going to be boiling the turkey now. Then we move to the ingredients of the fried rice. Bell pepper, carrots, onions, garlic, spring onions, blah blah blah. That is what we're going to be using for everything. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Please guys, subscribe, okay? Like and share our video. Follow us for more videos. I love you. I love guys. Cook with hubby. Cook with hubby. Cook with hubby. Cook with hubby. Maggi, salt, curry, then thyme with some of my nutmeg. These are all the seasons that I'm going to be using. Then put fresh onions. Let me use it to steam all the meat together, and I will be putting some garlic too. This is my garlic. Then let us start cooking together. Let me steam it a little bit. Let's start cutting carrots. Let's cut bell pepper. Then